going to present you my passion, the Rubik's Cube. So I started cubing in September 2018 because I was boring during the lunch break. After this, I practiced a lot and I improved a lot. And in April 2019, I did my first competition. This comp was French Championship 2019. That was great competition. I met many cubers. That was great fun, and I finished 101 on 194. So I'm going to show you some cubes. So here is the original cube. This is a 3x3. There is 3. This. This is a 4x4. This. This is a 5x5. It's bigger than 2x2, than 4x4 and 3x3. This is really small. This is a 2x2. This is probably short time because this is real small. This is also really strange. This is a pyramid. This is a triangle. So yeah. This is this cube. This is also real strange. So this is real strange for many people who doesn't know the cubing. This is also this is the square one. So after it can be not a shape. So like this. If you scramble it, it's this. That's really strange. And also this is a Mega Max. This is a really nice cube. This is really interesting. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this short video. I was really happy to speak to you, and see you next time. Bye.